Good morning students, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 3. Okay. What is the topic for Unit 3? Know your feelings. Know your feelings. Okay, what is meant by feelings? Feelings means உணர்வுகள். Okay, what do you think feelings means? Feelings na நீ என்ன அப்படி நீ நினைக்கிற? Anyone? What do you feel? Feelings. So what do you think feelings means? That is angry, sad, fear, and then cry. All the one including involved in feelings. Okay, Dhamma. Okay. In previous already you know that what is the vowels, consonants, right? Before we going to move to that lesson, first we recall that vowels and consonants. Okay, Dhamma. In our alphabet, how many letters? How many letters in our alphabet? There are 26 letters, right? In 26 letters, how many letters are vowels? Anybody knows the vowels? Say. Anybody knows the vowels? Vowels are so vowels letter A, E, I, O, U. These are all vowels. Any word starting, start with this vowel sound, you have to add before an. Okay, students. If any word start with this letter A, E, I, O, U, these are called vowels. Any word starting with these letters, before that word, okay, before that word you have to add an. Okay, for example, you see apple. Okay, this is the one word. What is the first letter of this word? A. A is in vowels, right? In vowels, this is the vowels, right? Before that word, we have to add an. So you have to write an apple. Okay. Except these letters, how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Except these letters, remaining all the one are consonants. Remaining all the one are consonants. Okay, listen. In our alphabet have 26 letters. That 26 letters, only that 5 letters. That 5 letters is called as the vowels. Okay, any word start with this letter, you have to add an before that word. Or you understand? If any word start with these vowels, okay, A, E, I, O, U, before that word you have to add an. And remaining all the letters are called as consonants. And before that word you have to add a. Before that you have to add a. Okay, for example, ball. So what is the first letter? B. B in a vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U only in vowels, right? So B not. So this is a consonant. Before the consonant you have to add what? Get ball. Are you clear? Okay. Now if you have a book, means open your book, page number 105. Okay. Okay, this is your lesson page. Listen, students. Know your feelings. Already I said feelings means what? உணர்வுகள். Okay, Dhamma. Already I said what is the feeling means? Angry, sad, happy. These are all feelings. Okay, so see this girl, what she is doing. This girl hand have one flower. Sorry, this girl pointed one flower. What color? What color? Red color. This girl backside have what color flower? Yellow color flower. She is asking to that goat, do you like this flower? Okay, she is pointing that red color flower to asking, do you like this flower? That goat is saying, no, I like that one. No, I like that one. What she is doing? Sorry, what she is asking? Do you like this flower? Do you like this flower? No. No, I like that one. Okay, what she is saying? In your family also, if you buy a chocolate, if your parents buy a chocolate, two chocolates. One is Dairy Milk, another one is 5-star. Okay, for your brother and you, they are buying for your brother and you. They are buying 2 chocolates. They are asking which one you want, Dairy Milk or 5-star. What you said, which one you like, that only you have to get from them, right? So that is your feeling. Okay, that is feeling. Okay, now students, all of you take your pencil. Students, let us recall. Okay, let us recall. Already we learned this. Now we have to mark this answer. Okay, all of you take your pencil and pen eraser. Are you taken? Okay, listen. Tick the correct word for the picture. In the picture correct word number enna pannom? Tick pannom. What she is doing? Jump or sit? Listen, she is jumping and sitting. She is jumping, so right, kudikira, right? So you have to tick inside this box, first box. You have to tick inside this first box. Okay, like this you have to tick. Like this you have to tick in this box. Okay, next one. Hop, sit. This boy hop or sit. Hop means nondi adikirana, sit panirkana, ukandirkana. Listen, the boy, he is sitting, right? So you have to tick this second box. Tick this second box. Good. Now move the second one. Make one into many. Okay. How many caps here? 1 cap. So you have 1 cap. This is one single. So don't use single means you don't use yes. See, second one. How many caps? 2 caps. Listen, the first one is only 1 cap. Second one is 2 caps. What is the second one is? 2 caps. So you have to write this here is a CAP. Now you write that CAP, cap here, and extra one you have to add what? Anybody say what we have to add now? Say yes, good. We have to say, we have to write yes, caps. CAP, yes, caps. Because this picture have only 1 cap, but this picture have how many caps? 2 caps. Okay, now this already I thought a and an. Okay, yes, a. Where we use a, the consonant sound. Where we use an, vowel sound. This is dash bun. This letter bun. What is the first? So in this word bun, what is the first letter? B. B in vowel sound. No consonant. So you have to write a. What you have to write? A. Next, this is dash kite. In this word, what is the first letter? K. K is a vowel or consonant sound? K is a consonant sound. Good. So you have to write A. What is that? A. This is dash X. This is dash X. In this word, the first letter? A. A in which sound? Vowels or consonant? Vowel. So you have to add. You have to write an. An. Good. Now turn the page. Look and say. In this picture, what do you see? They are happy, right? Why they are happy? They are buying balloons. Buying balloons and play with that balloons. So they are happy. What is the spelling for happy? H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Listen, repeat. H-A-P-P-Y. Sorry. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Okay, if you buy anything new for play or anything, dress, things, what you feel? You feel very happy, right? Yes, they are also happy. Next picture, what do you see? This boy is angry on this blue t-shirt boy. Why this boy angry on blue t-shirt boy? This blue t-shirt boy throw a dust in on the ground. Are you also doing like this? No, do you do like this? No, this is good or bad? No, this is very, very bad. We have to throw our dust in dustbin only. Okay, Dhamma. So this boy peel a banana peel on the road. If anybody walk on the road, they all slip. Right? If anybody walk on the road, they all slip on that banana peel. Right? So that boy angry on blue t-shirt boy. Okay. So don't throw your any dust on the road or any places. You have to throw in dustbin only. That is a good habit. Okay, what is the spelling for angry? A-N-G-R-Y. What is that? A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Good. Next one. Sleep. What she is doing? She is sleeping, right? What is the spelling for sleeping? Yes. L-E-E-P-Y. Sleeping. What is that? Yes. L-E-E-P-Y. Sleeping. In this picture, what they are doing? This boy giving food to that man. Right? This boy giving food to that man. Why? That man is very hungry. Right? That man is very hungry. That's why this boy giving food to that boy. What is the spelling for hungry? H-U-N-G-R-Y. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Okay, see the next one. What do you see in this picture? This boy feel very tired. If you play or if you do any work, what do you feel? You feel very tired, right? This boy also very tired for playing. See? So, what is the spelling for tired? T-I-R-E-D. What is that? T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Okay. Next one is, what are you seeing in this picture? This boy throwing all the properties in outside and lie down in this sofa, right? This is a good habit. No, we have to properly arrange our things. Then only we have to go to bed. Okay, that is a good manner. But what she is doing? She is throwing all their things in outside, and she is simply she is lying on the bed sofa. So this is lazy. L-A-Z-Y. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. Next one is, what are you seeing in this picture? This boy drinking a water, right? If you feel thirsty, means what you do? You go and drink water, right? That boy also doing like this. What is that? Thirsty. Tagam. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. The boy feel thirsty. Next. The boy is shocked. Why? See, that boy face. The boy feel how shocked. Why? That boy shirts are tear. Okay, that only the boy is shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. shocked. S H O C K E D, shocked. Next one is scared. Why? The dog is walk on the walk to see the boy. இது என்ன பண்ணுது, இந்த டாக் வந்து அந்த பாயை பார்த்து குறைக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் the boy feels scared. Scared பயந்துட்டான். Yes, what is the spelling for scared? S C A R E D. S C A R E D, scared. Okay, next one. What you see, the pot are broken, right? The boy is very feeling on that very feel for, because the boy is very feel. Why? Very feeling sad. Why? That boy pot is broken, so this boy feeling very bad. Okay, what is the spelling for sad? S A D, sad. உங்களோட திங்ஸும் ஏதாவது உடஞ்சி போச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ரொம்ப சேடாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்களா? இல்லை எதை கிழிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? சேடாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க. அதே மாதிரி தான் இவனும் ஃபீல் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கான். வாட் இஸ் த ஸ்பெல்லிங் ஃபார் சேட்? S A D, sad. Good. Next one is surprised. Listen, your parents also giving gift to on your birthday time, right? Yes, that time how do you feel? You feel very surprised, right? So that girl also surprised because her mother hiding a gift for that girl. Okay, what is the surprised feeling? S U R P R I S E D, surprised. Okay ma'am. Okay, now we recall the emotions. Okay, this is happy. சந்தோஷமா இருக்குங்க, happy, சந்தோஷ். angry, கோபம், angry, கோபம். sleepy, தூக்க கலக்கமாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, தூக்கமாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, அதுதான் sleepy. hungry, ரொம்ப பசியாக இருக்கார், hungry. this is angry, this is hungry. this is tired, ரொம்ப சோர்வாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாங்க, tired. lazy, ரொம்ப சோம்பேத்தனமாக இருக்குல்ல, that is lazy. next one is thirsty, தாகமாக இருக்குது, thirsty. shocked, ரொம்ப இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு மாதிரி ஷாக்டாக பார்க்குறோம். ஸ்கேர்ட், பயத்தோடு பார்க்குறாங்க. இவன் she is surprised. என்னது? surprised. next one is sad. what is this? sad. okay, this is the emotion feelings. okay damma, we repeat one more time. happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, tired, lazy, thirsty, scared, shocked, surprise, sad. this is our emotion. Students, you have to read and memorize this word spelling also. I will ask question in next section. okay, so before that section you have to read all the feelings spelling also. okay Dhamma, with spelling also I will ask question. okay, thank you students.